How to fix laptop speaker crackling noise. So if you're also getting such crackling noise in your laptop, here's what you need to do. So first, just head over to your device manager. If it's regarding internal problem, you will need to first check about your audio or device audio driver. So to get to there, just head over to device driver and simply locate this sound option over here, and you can actually find the speakers, or your if your microphone is also not working, you can actually update it just like this from over here. And so try updating, make sure you have connected to your internet as well. So once you do that, you can just head over to, at the top there is also the audio input, which is our speaker, which might be causing problems. So to see if it's related to software, you just have to click on its properties and click on this update driver, and make sure you are connected to your internet as well again, and just close it. And once you do all of that, and see if it fixes your issue or not. So now the next thing what you want to do is just head over to your control panel and click on this sound option. So just select it, and then just right click on the speaker icon and click on its properties. And here you need to make sure that once you click on its properties once again and click on this drive, you have updated your speaker to update it and to its latest version. You can also actually try updating your Windows as well. And once inside this advanced option, always try to make sure to test with the default speaker, and make sure the levels of the volume is set to high and is not muted. And once you do all of that, just click on apply and click on OK, and it will fix your issue. And if it's still not fixing your issue, you can try to right click and optimize or troubleshoot your sound problem and see if it fixes your issue. And always make sure that your volume settings of your speaker is high and not muted. So that's the work it, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.